Hello and welcome to Tradeasy. Today we want to show you how to create an API key to connect your Tradeasy account to your exchange. First, log in to your Tradeasy account. Then choose an exchange and be sure the exchange is compatible with the country you live in. Choose Create an account or connect your existing account. If you need a more detailed explanation about your API key creation, please click on the Full Guide button. Now, go to HTX website and log into your account. Once you are signed into your account, make sure to turn on verification processes to maximize the security of your account. Here we already turned on the 2FA code. Now to create the API key, go into the account menu and select API Management. Click on Create API Key and enter a name for your API key. Then go back to your Tradeasy dashboard and copy the list of the trusted IP addresses. Make sure you selected the trade option only. Then click on Create. Great job! We are nearly done. Now we just need to copy your key and secret key directly into your Tradeasy dashboard. Finally, click on Connect. Your Tradeasy dashboard now displays the amount available on your account for trading. If no funds appears on your dashboard, it may be because you need to convert the available funds on your exchange to USDT. It might also be because you need to transfer the funds from your funding wallet to your trading wallet. Let's get started. Click on Start Bot. Select the plan you wish to use depending on the amount of profit you want to be automatically reinvested. Select the amount you want to trade and your discount code if you have any. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Submit. Tradeasy will automatically calculate your fees, and when you are happy with it, click on the Next button. You just need now to pay the amount given to the address indicated on the payment page. Make sure to pay the exact amount in the exact currency that is offered on the payment page. If you send a different type of currency than the one given in the payment page, your fund will be lost. Allow a few minutes for the confirmation to happen. The bot will automatically select the pairs for you and start trading for you. You will be able to see the evolution of your trades directly on your Tradeasy dashboard or on your exchange account. We hope that this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching.